Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Spotify and playing the track or podcast you want. Make sure the app is updated. Old versions may lack the sleep timer. Once playing, check your device volume and lock settings so playback won't stop unexpectedly. If you use a podcast, position it where you can pause quickly. Now that audio is running and the app is ready, you're set to add the timer. This prevents music playing all night and saves battery while you sleep. You expand the Now Playing screen and tap the three-dot menu to reveal extra controls. Then select Sleep Timer. Spotify shows presets like 5, 10, 30 minutes or options such as End of Track. Choose the duration that fits your routine, shorter for naps, longer for winding down. If you want the music to stop after the current song, pick End of Track. This method ensures the app stops playback cleanly without altering your cue or device settings. Once you set the timer, confirm the countdown appears in the player. You'll hear playback stop when it expires. If the sleep timer option is missing, make sure Spotify is updated, restart the app, or reinstall it. Also disable aggressive battery optimizations that may break background features. As a fallback, use your device's clock timer or a third-party timer app to pause system audio. If problems persist, log out and back in. That refresh often restores missing controls.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.